This video shows how to buy shares of Nabors Industries Ltd. Nabors is a global drilling and oilfield services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NBR. This is an educational overview, not investment advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search field and type the ticker NBR to find the company listing. Make sure you select the result that clearly shows Nabors Industries Ltd. on NASDAQ. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the correct security. Verify the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker NBR before continuing. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and the platform will request you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform further.